To invest in the S&P 500 at Wells Fargo, you will need to have a brokerage account with the bank. If you do not have one, you can easily open an account online or visit a local branch. Once your account is set up, you can fund it with money, which will be used to purchase the S&P 500 index fund. The S&P 500 is a stock market index that represents the market value of 500 large publicly traded companies in the U.S. It is widely considered to be a benchmark for the overall performance of the U.S. stock market. To buy the S&P 500 at Wells Fargo, you can purchase an index fund that tracks the performance of the S&P 500. Wells Fargo offers several index funds that track the S&P 500, including the Wells Fargo S&P 500 Index Fund. This fund seeks to provide investment results that closely correspond to the price and yield performance of the S&P 500 index. You can purchase this fund through your Wells Fargo brokerage account online or by speaking with a financial advisor. To buy the S&P 500 Index Fund online, log into your Wells Fargo brokerage account and navigate to the trading platform. Search for the Wells Fargo S&P 500 Index Fund and select it from the list of available funds. Enter the amount of money you want to invest and confirm your purchase. It is essential to understand the fees associated with buying and holding the S&P 500 Index Fund. The Wells Fargo S&P 500 Index Fund has an expense ratio, which is a fee that covers the costs of managing the fund. This fee is typically a small percentage of your investment and is deducted from your account balance. In addition to the expense ratio, you may also be subject to trading fees when you buy or sell the index fund. However, many online brokerages, including Wells Fargo, offer commission-free trades on index funds. Before investing in the S&P 500 Index Fund, it is crucial to evaluate your financial goals and risk tolerance. The S&P 500 is a diversified portfolio of stocks, but it can still be volatile, and its value may fluctuate over time. It is essential to have a long-term perspective and a well-diversified portfolio to minimize risk. In conclusion, investing in the S&P 500 at Wells Fargo is a straightforward process that can be completed online or with the help of a financial advisor. By understanding the fees and risks associated with the S&P 500 Index Fund, you can make an informed decision about whether this investment is right for you.